Class 5 Pronouns. Dear students, in the last class we learned about pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are words used to replace nouns. Pronouns are words used to replace nouns. So they are words used instead of nouns. Okay, now let us look what are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used to replace a person or a thing. So what are personal pronouns? They are words used to replace a person or a thing. Let us look the examples given. Let us look the first set of sentences. First sentence, Meena is a beautiful girl. And the second sentence is, she is a beautiful girl. Here in this first sentence, Meena is a beautiful girl. Meena is name of a person. And in the second sentence, Meena is replaced using another word, that is she. She is a beautiful girl. So instead of Meena, we are using she. Okay, instead of the name of a person, we are using another word, which is a pronoun. And so since it is used to replace a person, this is a personal pronoun. Understood? Meena is the name of a person, and instead of the name of that person, we are using she. So she is a pronoun, it's a personal pronoun. Okay, now let us look the second set of sentences. First sentence, the ribbon is red in color. And the second sentence is, it is red in color. Here, the ribbon is the name of a thing. It's a thing, ribbon, isn't it? And it is replaced by using the word it in the second sentence. The ribbon is replaced by the word it. It is a personal pronoun. Okay, so here in both the sentences, we are using personal pronouns. So what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used to replace a person or a thing. Now, the personal pronouns can be in first person, second person and third person. According to the point of view, it can be, the personal pronouns can be in the first person, second person or the third person. So let us study that in detail. First person pronouns. These pronouns are used for the person who is speaking. These are personal pronouns, and the first person pronouns are used for the person who is speaking. Let us look the examples given there. The first sentence, I think I lost my bag. Here I is used for the person who is speaking. I is a pronoun, is a personal pronoun which is used for the person who is speaking. Here I is speaking that sentence. I think I lost my bag. So I is the first person pronoun. Then next one, we gave Rahul a gift. Here we is a pronoun used for the person who is speaking. We is speaking here, isn't it? We gave Rahul a gift. So here we is in first person. Here in those two sentences, I and we are in first person. Here you can see in that box, I, me, we, us, mine and ours are all first person pronouns. Second person pronoun. These pronouns are used for the person who is spoken to or the person who is listening to. Okay, here let us select the examples so it will be more clear to you. You can wait here for the best. First sentence is, you can wait here for the best. Here, you is a personal pronoun which is used for the person who is spoken to. Someone else is speaking to you. So, you is used for the person who is spoken to or the person who is listening to. You is listening to that. Isn't it? You is not the person who is speaking that particular sentence. It is the person who is listening to that particular sentence. So, you can wait here for the best. Here, you is used for the person who is spoken to or a person who is listening to. So, you is in second person. Next sentence, you should obey me. Someone else is speaking and you is a person who is listening to or is spoken to. So, you is in the second person. There you can see you, your, yours are all in second person. They are all second person pronouns. Now, third person pronoun. They are used in place of person or thing who is spoken of or the person being talked about. So they are the third person pronouns are used in place of the person or thing who is spoken of or being talked about. Let us look the example. A sentence is given there. Let us take that. I am telling you that she is an intelligent girl. The sentence is, I am telling you that she is an intelligent girl. Here I is the person who is speaking. Okay, I is the person who is speaking. So I is in first person. So I is a personal pronoun and I is a person who is speaking. So it is in first person. I am telling you. You is also a personal pronoun, isn't it? And you is the person who is spoken to. I is speaking to you. So you is a person who is spoken to or who is listening to. So you is in second person. I am telling you that she is an intelligent girl. Here she is in third person because she is a person being talked about. I is talking about she. I is talking to you about she. So she is a person who is being talked about. So she is in third person. Understood? Here I am telling you that she is an intelligent girl. In that sentence, I is a pronoun, personal pronoun. And I is a person who is speaking. So I is in first person. And I is speaking to whom? I is speaking or telling to you. Okay. So you is a person who is spoken to or who is listening to. So you is in second person. And she is a person who is being talked about. I is speaking about she. So she is in third person. Now here third person pronouns examples are given there. He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs are all third person pronoun.